Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the feature section for your vehicle booking management system. This is where you highlight what makes your service stand out, like the variety of vehicles you offer, helping customers quickly see why they should choose you. Let's get started. Under your About section menu, click on Feature section to open the configuration area. Click on Feature section title and enter a heading that introduces this section, something that sums up what you're about to highlight. Click on the icon selector and choose one that fits this feature. In this example, we're going with the shield icon, often used to represent trust or reliability. Click here to set up this feature. For example, we're highlighting wide vehicle selection, a feature that lets customers know just how much variety you offer. Next, fill in your feature description in the description field. For example, economy, luxury, SUVs, executive, and commercial vehicles. This gives customers a clear idea of what the feature is all about. Click Add Feature to include a new feature in your feature section configuration. Click Save Changes to apply and save all modifications made to the feature section. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.